for a challenge right away.
Dami natin error sa game. Ha? Huli natin.
All-important challenge here for the Farmfresh Foxies. They can't afford to be behind big.
But clearly, lock touch works for the F2 Logistics. Unsuccessful challenge on the side of the Foxies.
Santiago. De La Cruz.
De La Cruz attacking on top of the blockers, going to zone 6. No one there on the side of the Foxies.
Yes, na pa.
And an ace for Araganang.
The Met has been that good friend of the F2 Logistics in this 5th set.
Best friend, no? Here in set number 5. BFF.
Really playing with the timing of the Foxies.
And the lead is up to 7 for F2. Cruz able to get that point for Farmfresh.
Now some activation in the middle this time for the Foxies. Trisha Tubu will definitely need the help of her teammates in terms of scoring.
This will be a long climb for Farmfresh. They're down by 6. F2 only needs 3 points. Make that 2 to win the match.
But a very crucial error there from Cruz. F2 in a very comfortable position right now.
Does Farmfresh have enough gas left on their tank? They were able to get that 8-1 run a while ago. But in this situation, it's tougher. You're playing on the last set already.
Exactly, but F2 here giving them some chance.
Alba to De La Cruz. Popped up by Lazo. F2 again, De La Cruz. And F2 is now at match point.
Trisha Tubo on the right spot, but Jolina De La Cruz has been consistent and efficient on the side of F2 Logistics.
27 points for Jolina De La Cruz. Alba serving for the match. Here comes F2 to finish it off. Not just yet. Tubu. Getting one for Farmfresh.
But Farmfresh needs to play perfect volleyball at this point. F2 at match point right now.
That was Trisha Tubu scoring her 30th point, her career high.
Yes,
Previously at
Ivy
24, but
Laxina.
Laxina spoiling that one. And getting the win for the F2 Logistics Cargo Movers.
A great combination play there from Mars Alba. Agoy Baron convincing him that approach, leaving only one.